Fluid pour and enhancement coming up next. Hi everybody, welcome and thanks so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. Today is a fluid pour and enhancement, and it is unusual for me because it's a winter scene and I haven't done one before. This is my very first and I love the way it turned out. I've got commentary throughout, so keep watching to see exactly how I did this. Okay, today I'm working on a 16-inch by 30-inch canvas, which is 40 centimeters by 76 centimeters. I'm using titanium white, burnt sienna, grayish blue, Payne's gray, and sky blue light. Okay, so I have mixed all the colors with 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. 1 teaspoon of water, depending on how much paint I have in here. So this one was about 1.5 teaspoons of water because it was more, but that's the consistency that you want. And here are all the colors. They are quite beautiful. I hope it works out the way I'm seeing it in my mind. So this is a pour, a fluid pour that I will enhance. I knew when I was putting down the colors that I was going to blow it and it was going to be down towards me, and that's why I was putting it down in this manner. Doing a totally abstract painting, the manner in which you blow does make a big difference, so keep that in mind. I wasn't happy with that dark blue band across the top then. That's why now I'm kind of going over it. I love the burnt sienna in this, and I was really sorry to see so much of it go, and that's why you can see there I'm hesitating on covering it up. I really do like it a lot, but you'll see that I fix it. I wasn't intending on using a swipe for this, but it wasn't looking the way I had wanted it to, so I just got a piece of mail from the junk mail and started swiping, and you can see that I wipe in between each time I swipe. So that's important to do if you're going to do this. Okay, and here it is from my side. It is beautiful. I love this burnt sienna. And I'm gonna have to let it dry, and I will start working on it tomorrow. Hopefully it'll only take a day. But wow, Look at all the cells. And the lacing is just beautiful. I'm very happy with this, and it'll be exciting and fun to work on it. So I'll see you back here in just 1 second. And here it is 2 days later. It took 2 days to dry completely. And I'm using my trusty sponge. If you've seen my videos before, I love working on skies with a sponge. And I have a small sponge, and that's what I'm doing now. I wanted it to look like there's snow, kind of so much snow up there on the top of that cliff that it's spilling over, freezing, and there's some icicles, and that's what I'm working on right now. I was hesitating just a little bit on covering up those beautiful, beautiful cells, so I was being careful around this area just because I love it so much. I'm outlining here an area where I had stopped with the swipe, and just to highlight it a little bit to give it some more depth. I didn't want to cover up this beautiful area at the bottom, but for composition's sake, I felt that it really needed it, and so I did, and I'm very happy that I did. Often when I already have paint on my brush from another area, I'll bring it to another part of the painting, so it ties it in, and dark colors recede and makes it recede, and I wanted that area to make it look like it was deeper than the other areas. So once again, you can see that I'm using the color that's on my brush, and I'm bringing it to the painting in various areas to tie it in, and I think it just works so much better that way. I had thought I would just bring in some water, and then at this point I decided no, it needs a big splash and splashes coming towards this cliff, and that's what I'm working on here. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found, was blind, but now I see. I felt this dark area didn't quite fit with the painting, so I worked on it to look like there's some snow there, and I think it worked out better that way. felt that there was a need for a focal point, and so I decided that this tree had to go there, and one solitary tree was enough for me. I didn't want to have too much. It I think makes a big impact that way. Sometimes less is more. I really wanted this tree to look like it was laden with a lot of snow and reflect its surroundings. I love this simple technique. You get an old toothbrush, you load it up with paint, and with my finger, just kind of brush it along, and you get these great splashes. Now that I had put some dark, I decided to highlight those areas to make it look like there was some depth to it. I felt it was important to add these two kind of extra clouds. They subconsciously tell the viewer and to look, they're literally pointing at that tree. So that's a good little trick. So here it is all done, and I really like it. It is different for me. Still with the element of water, which I always love to do. So it's kind of like water rushing up towards this cliff, which is very cold and frozen over with lots of snow and ice. And this one lone tree in a very barren landscape. Some rocks. Not much around, but I love it that it's a focal point on this tree here. I think it looks great. It dried so beautifully. If you click on the link you see now, you'll see more of my fluid pours and enhanced pours. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Check out my new Facebook group called Soraya Silvestri Amazing Abstracts Promote Your Art. The link is in the description area below.